Hi, it's Justin. Thanks for registering for our workshop on Friday. I wanted to send you a quick note to say you may have registered and it might have dropped off your radar, but this Friday's workshop is going to be absolutely amazing. It's a leadership workshop. We're looking specifically at how to develop world-class coaching. Now, in my experience as a business leader, as a sales manager, and more recently, the last 7 or 8 years as an executive coach, the blending of those different experiences to help leaders become much more effective through coaching is a really useful development skill. But it's one that many leaders haven't quite got to grips with yet. And on Friday, we're going to talk about how to integrate coaching into your wider leadership responsibilities. But we're also going to look at the world famous model for coaching, the GROW model, and a couple of different nuances and perspectives on the GROW model and how to integrate that into coaching your teams so they become much more responsible, much more autonomous, start to become more accountable to themselves in your business. So it's Friday lunchtime at 1 p.m. You have already registered on the event link here on LinkedIn. Just need to click on the Zoom link and that will give you access to the session. If you register beforehand, I will add you to the meeting invitation so it also marks your calendar. We're going to have a great session. You'll have a chance to meet other business leaders like yourself. And I look forward to seeing you on Friday at 1 p.m. I hope you can join us. See you then.